Okay, again I take a video from up here. Your hook truck, okay, from 1895. So you see what happened is that the color faded, you see, over the years. And also is because of the dust, but we can wash it. The thing is that the foundation is made of this kind of fabric, like it's very old, so it's disintegrated. You see, this foundation, you see? This material, you just put the finger, you make a hole with your finger. So in some places recommend to put wool to make it strong. And let me see here. And then we put backing for it and everything. See this delicate piece, but it's nice. Hey, okay. We wash your rug. See, the wool looks much cleaner, much brighter. It still have the antique look. So here is recommend to do put some wool. It's no big deal. Also here a little bit, here a little bit, but it's not a big job. And the back looks good also. So it's not dry rot. It's not broken. Everything is good. All right, you see the color is brighter now. Now we have to put backing to reinforce it from the back with fabric, and then it will be more secure, more safe. Okay. We put new backing, you see.